Hi
Hi
guys!
guys! Follow na like and subscribe!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yung Isnara Jr. And today again, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope your New Year celebration was safe and very enjoyable. So today, I am here at the Benguet State University Bukod Campus. Yeah, dito po tayo nag-aral ng high school. So if I should review ang kasuluk-sulukan ng school na ito, there's a really big improvement. And now it's called Benguet State University. Dati kasi it was Benguet School of Arts and Trades. And then it was transferred to the Benguet State University and it was named after it, except that it is now the Bukod campus. Tara at ikutin natin ang paaralan at tingnan natin ang mga pagbabago na ginawa nila dito. Kung hindi pa po kayo subscribe, pa-subscribe naman para sa mga iba pang video na ating i-upload sa mga susunod na araw. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-old na building nila, ano? If you can see yung mga columns nila, yung mga poste niya na retrofit. Kasi actually this is one of the 1990 earthquake survivor na building dito sa BSU Bukod Campus. Dito sa may second floor na ito, dito may junior senior prom noon. Alam mo na barong ba? Barong. Yan, naalala ko pa. Sa may area doon, may stage. Tapos bukas lahat yan hanggang doon sa dulo. Para lang sa promenade namin. Dati yun. When you go upstairs on this side, this is the foods building. Tawag namin noon, foods building. Dito ang food trades classroom. Paglulutuan ba? Pag diniretso mo yan. Yan. Ito pa rin na tayong dati. Wala pa namang nabago dito. Food trades pa rin. Siyempre sa dulo ng food trades building, yan, makikita natin yung view ng isang enchanted lake. Yung ito yung Bisat Lake, tawag natin dati dito, pero the locals called it Binajayang Ibaloy for stagnant water. Ang lang pagtataka dito, hindi po yan naubusan ng tubig. Ito ngayon yung bagong building. Ito original building yan. Diyan ako natutong magtahi ng damit, garment trades building nung panahon namin. Yung nandun bago pa yan. Yung ito bago, ito yung naabutan ko pa. And of course yan, bagong bago po yan. Ito rin isa sa pinaka-original na building dito. Dati-rati we called it furniture and cabinet making. Dito rin tayo natutong gumawa ng mga furniture. At dito rin yung commencement exercises namin noon, yung graduation ng high school. Dito pa rin siya, matibay. Nung high school kami, ito yung cooperative store dati. Dito naman, electronics technology. Dito ko natutunan ding mag-repair ng radyo noon. Doon din naman sa may gilid ang electrical technology. At ang guidance counselor namin noon dito. Itong kahoy na ito rin yung high school building namin noon. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Yan. So basically dyan ako nag-classroom from first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Ginawa ito nung after earthquake, 1990 earthquake, bilang alternative school building kasi may isang building doon na gumuho. Ito ang pinalit. Ngayon, lumang-luma na siya. Baka alisin na yan. May bagong gym, covered court. Sa areang ito naman, automotive technology. Diyan tayo natutong gumawa ng mga steel crafts. Ang sayang tignan din na yung mga maliliit na puno noon, ganyan na nakalaki. Sa mga kabats ko dyan, alam nyo to, yung mga pine tree na to, maliliit pa ito noon. Pati yung mga mangga doon, yan, may bakod pa yan dati na bamboo. Ngayon ang lalaki na. Sinong nagtanim? Tinatanong pa ba yan? Mukhang may gagawing building dito. Yan. Mga improvements naman. Pero ang gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung basketball court namin dati. Yan. So dyan pa rin yan. At ganyan pa rin. Tingnan natin. Malapitan. Ayun, oh. Yan, kahit pa paano naman yung flooring niya okay na. Ilang beses din akong nagasgasan ng nagasgasan ng paa dito dahil ito medyo ano ito noon, very rough. And tignan nyo naman, fiberglass ba? Dati kahoy lang yan nung kami ang naglalaro dyan. It's nice to know some improvements now. Minsan kapag nagsushoot kami dyan, ayan, pag hindi mo nasala yung bola, didiretso yan dyan, taas sa bakod, tapos doon punta siya sa may lake. Kaya habol talaga yan ang bola.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really